they access. Yeah, I'm not going out there. Just no way. Yeah, I'm okay, guys. Just a lot going on, man. Just a lot going on. If you guys are commenting, I can't even see it. I don't know if you guys are or not. I can't see anything. Yeah, I can't even see y'all's comments. If y'all are commenting, I can't even see it, so I don't even know. I think it's like frozen or something.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Girl, I want to say I have never been so happy to see your face this morning. I was worried about you all night.
I'm here.
I'm so glad to see you and that you're doing okay. I really am. You did good for your first one. You held in tough. I'm so glad you did. I've been waiting to see you online all morning, Dani. I'm so glad to see you.
I'm so glad to see all of you. I really am.
That's all I wanted to say. I don't know if anybody else wants to get in the box, but I just wanted to say I'm so happy to see you on today.
I'm here, baby girl. I'm here.
Lots of kisses and hugs for you today.
I love you.
Love you.
All right. Hi, Allie.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, we don't have power, but we're good.
I'm glad you're still here with us, So that's what's more important,
Yeah.
Sure, How you feeling?
I just opened my eyes. I haven't made it to go check outside.
I don't want to go check outside. I don't want to look on TikTok.
I don't either.
I really don't. That's gonna just put me in such a depression. It's not even funny. My heart's breaking for Florida. I can never imagine the damages that are done. I can't even compromise right now about how much damage is out there right now and all the families that are suffering right now.
Yeah.
I don't even know what to say, Allie. I could never imagine. I just can't. I can't even wrap my head around it right now. It's heartbreaking. It's sad.
It is sad when your entire state has been ripped apart.
This is an unbelievable thing. Are you seeing the comments? Because I can't see the comments.
Yes, they're all talking about, did you lose power? Yes, I do not have power.
I can't see anything. Hold on.
Pebbles, we don't need that right now. I've been stalking both of you this morning.
Alright, now I see the comments. Oh my god.
Guys, we don't need to know that there's another one coming. We just went through. We get it, but we don't.
No, I just don't even want to go outside. I really don't. I just can't.
I'm not going outside. I don't have power, and I'm not going outside.
I'm not either. No, I'm not driving. I'm not doing anything. I don't even want to look outside. I don't even want to. No.
Hopefully, Paige, but Florida can't catch a break.
No, guys, my job is closed. It's closed. I'm in a group message right now with all of them. So, as far as I know, I have no control of that. When they contact me and they let me know that we're back in business, then we're back in business. But for right now, they are closed. The whole entire company is closed right now.
That was the best part for me after a hurricane is drive and go. No, my sheriff is telling anybody do not drive.
Yes, I did lose power, and I think around 3 o'clock in the morning, I got power back. I think I do.
Yeah, see, I'm opposite. I lost my
Hold on, let me
dad.
see. Yeah, I do. I got power back. I do have power. Well, Allie, I'm so sorry that that you don't have power. Like, my heart breaks for you, but I love you and I'm here for you. And I hope that the rest of your family is safe and everything else like that.
Thanks, girl. The kids slept through it. Well, they're gonna be pissed when they can't play games, but
Yeah, we lost power around 2 to 3. I saw Aaron on.
that's why I lost power. I lost power at 2.
Yeah, Danny, I'm glad you're okay. I'm glad I'm okay too, y'all. I'm really blessed and I'm really grateful, and God is good, and God watched over the whole entire state of Florida, and it's tragedy. It's so sad. Like, I don't even want to turn on the news because I couldn't even imagine sitting back and watching all of that. Like, I just can't. Like, how can you just go out there and actually see, like, all the damages it has done, and then the families that are hurting and suffering? Like, my heart breaks for every single person that's going.
Are any water, you guys? My backyard, I don't know. I know around us is flooded because we flood all the time. The front part of my house was starting to flood yesterday when I went outside, but like I've said, I haven't made it outside.
I don't even know. I'm just. I don't even know how long this is gonna take for them to recover. Like, this is insane. This is so sad.
Well, let me just tell you, Tampa got hit with Ian 2 years ago, and they weren't even ready. They didn't recover from Ian.
Yeah, guys, we have damage. Pretty bad. In Florida. Pretty bad. So I'm glad that I'm safe. I'm glad all of you guys are safe. If you guys live in the state of Florida and you're here in my live stream, I just want to tell y'all that I'm praying for every single one of you who's been in this storm that we had. But I'm so glad that you guys are safe, and I hope that you guys are safe and not injured or anything like that. continue to pray for those people that don't have power, that are suffering right now. Just pray for those people that are still going through hard times right now. Be grateful that you guys are okay and that you have power.
No, Catherine, I do not have power.
But the best part about it, guys, is that, it's over. That's the best part right now. The worst is the aftermath. I can never imagine waking up and seeing some of the horrible tragedy things that this is my first time experiencing this, and this is horrible. This is I've never seen anything like this. Like, I still cannot wrap my head around this right now. I just can't. Like, you just sit back and you're just like, your mind just goes completely like boom. Like, you don't even realize how grateful you are. Like,
Guys, I will go live later and go outside. I'm not going outside right now.
I'm not going outside. I don't even know. I'm late. I'm just about to get up. I haven't even
Yeah, I haven't even. Sunshine. That's crazy. Yeah, we'll go outside later. Alright, guys, I'm gonna hop out the box. Danny, I'll still listen, but I gotta go get kids ready. Alright.
Okay. This is so sad. I don't even know what to say.
Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing
TikTok.
for you. It's okay. Camila Cabello just asked
to focus on the hazards and really on risk.
2 or 3?
It's great.
it's okay. He's coming. He's okay. He's coming.
All right, boy.
Making a run.
God, I am so sorry. If you are liking this live and know somebody that enjoys surfing and likes to see a bunch.
Why is the
Maggie.
Groceries are insane.
God, if you let me up out this flood, I swear I won't respond to my baby mamas no more. I don't care how much they lie no more, Lord. Please let me up out this flood. I don't care how many more lies they tell. I'm not responding no more to their lies. I'm not making it be known that they telling lies. I'm not proving them wrong and putting out the truth no more, Lord. If you let me out this flood, I promise I'll just let them lie and let them just continue to lie. Please.
I can't. I'm done. I'm done. I can't. I'm not. I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready. No, I can't handle it. Nope. No, I'm not. I can't handle that right now. No way. Oh my God, I can't even. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I really am. I can't. This is too much for me. This is just so sad. Like, I don't even know what to think right now. Like, I don't even. I think I just need to take a day to myself, y'all. I really do. Like, I don't think I'm gonna come back on live. I just wanted to come on here. I need some time. I really do. I need some time. This is way overwhelming. My heart's breaking. I just can't right now, y'all. I am so sorry. Like, I can't even comprehend. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's too much. So, have a great day, guys. But, yeah, I can't. I can't, y'all.